Are you experiencing NP-103148-7 on your PS5 console? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the game. The NP-103148-7 error on your PlayStation 5 indicates an issue with connecting to the internet. When you are experiencing such an error, then exit the game and wait for some time. Then try to play the game again and check. Method 2. Restart the console. Next, you can restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to Power and select Turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 3. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check is that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can contact your local service provider for help. Method 4. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on. Now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 5. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. Outdated system version can also cause the game to crash. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Method 6. Check the server status. The next thing you should check is PS5 server status. To check that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select View PlayStation Network Status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 7. Change DNS. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 8. Contact PlayStation Support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing NP-103148-7 on a PS5 console. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.